Thank you for entering this energetic transmission. Thank you for being there. Another of me. Thank you for existing. That you're being. Oh. Open your crown, baby. Open your crown. Because it's your connection to the cosmos, to the unified field, to oneness consciousness. Divinity, love, unity, nourishment. I'm transferring this energy to you. Dear one, you are here with me. I am there with you right now, 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 right now. Remember yourself in the dream. Every day in the dream. Recognizing who you are. That's your right. If you long to connect with yourself, yourself, you can do it now. Because you are that now. I am that I am. I am that I am. I am that I am. Dear one. Dear one. Feel the presence in your heart. Now. Return home with me. But you know what, dear one? My love. You are home. Always. 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 You never left home. I'm asking you to return to that realization. Nothing ever changed. Nothing ever changed. Nothing ever changed. Namaste.